Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang September 30. Ayan. So if you're interested, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naharasonate. Okay, let's see what's the energy. Paalala lang ang reading na to ay general reading. Maaari kayo makarelate, maaari hindi. Overall energy, challenge, opportunity, blessing. Oh, okay. It's time to release anything that is no longer serving you, Leo. So, bottom of the deck is the 10 of Cups. So, this is happiness, fulfillment. Maaring may mga events na magaganap ngayong October na kung saan magsasalo-salo kayo, magsasama-sama kayo ng family. Pwedeng reunion or travel with your family. You have the Fool and then the 9 of Pentacles. Meron ditong new inspiration or bagong susubukan ka, no, na kung saan maaring magte-take ka ng risk. Oo. This can be moving to a new place or moving to a new country, moving to a new career or business, no? And the 9 of Pentacles is about having your financial stability. So, ngayong October, mas maayos, maganda yung takbo ng finances mo, trabaho mo, career mo. Yung iba magbe-business, no? Yung ano kasi to you are your own boss, ganon. So, the Wheel of Fortune is also about change. Mas nag-a-align ka ngayon sa iyong destiny. So, yung iba you've been waiting, no? Naghihintay ka sa big break mo. And I think this big break is happening in October. Oo. So, ina-align ka sa iyong purpose, life's purpose. Mararamdaman mo yun kasi parang yung biglang parang andun yung lakas ng loob mo to try new things. Hindi ka natatakot. You have the Queen of Pentacles as your overall energy. This is having stability in your career, finances. Yung iba merong magandang posisyon sa work, sa career ninyo. Can be a promotion as well. Or yung iba, you will be taking care of a family, like magiging breadwinner ka, and at the same time, kaya mo namang i-handle yung pagiging breadwinner mo. You will also get some pets, no? Kung mahilig ka sa pets, it's either ngayon ka palang kukuha ng pets or magdadagdag ka, more pets, ganon. Your challenge is the Moon. Ang challenge mo ngayon yung emotions mo kasi maaring meron kang suppressed emotions. Yung mga hindi mo na ilalabas na nararamdaman mo. Mahirap yan kasi magmamanifest yan sa katawan mo. It's either magkakasakit ka or kaya you feel down, may mga muscle pains or yung mga tinatawag na stored trauma, ganon. So, isa sa opportunity mo, I think, is to look for other ways para ma-release yung trauma na yan or negative energies na yan. Kasi the Tower is about meron kang ginigiba na pwedeng alam mo na hindi na to makakabuti sa'yo. Para siyang kung ihahalin tulad natin to sa isang building. Yung building na yon, let's say 50 years old na, more than 50 years old na yung building, and syempre matanda na yung building, marami ng cracks, delikado na tumira doon sa building na yon or gamitin yung building na yon. So ang gagawin ng iba, no, kinokondemn na yon, talagang purposely sinisira siya, ginigiba, dinidemolish para matayuan ng bago. So that's the blessing for you, na merong nagigiba para matayuan ng bago para sa'yo. Pwede itong belief system mo, pwedeng yung career path mo, or even relationship, or even para sa sarili mo. You have the opportunity also to explore, try new things. Ang Knight of Wands energy is someone na malakas ang loob, no? Talagang you are empowering your energy as a Leo na fire sign na palaban. You are, you want to be there, like parang may lakas ng loob, powerful, na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto niyang gawin, na walang pumipigil sa kanya. At kahit na meron pang pumigil, hindi mo hahayaan, walang makakapigil sa'yo. Let's see, money, career, finances. Ito na naman si The Fool. So, I think yung new beginnings, new opportunities ay manggagaling sa trabaho, career, business mo, or finances mo. I also feel na mas makakaipon ka ngayong October, or yung inipon mo in the past months, meron kang paggagamitan dito na can be a business na magkakaroon or magkakatulong sa yung financial stability, financial security. Meron kang talents in crafting and creating something unique using your hands. It's time to use your skills. Maaring itong mga handmade products, pwede mo siyang gawing negosyo para mas mag-generate pa siya ng income. Kasi ang mga Leo ay naturally creative. So, yung mga talento mo, abilities mo, you can use that to make more money and change your career. No? Sa love life, you have the 2 of Wands and the 5 of Pentacles. Meron kang pinupursue na relationship, pero it seems na gino-ghost ka na. No? So, wag mong hayaan na parang ikaw yung naghahabol sa person na to kasi sayang ang energy mo. Sayang ang energy. So, you have to just focus on what is working para sa'yo, and if it's not working, then it's time to leave. May temptation, may deception. This is weighing you down. Oh my God, Leo, yung bang tipong alam mo na niloloko ka, or alam mo na mayroong kalokohan pero nagsistay ka pa rin, or you try to work things out pero yan yung nagpapabagal sa'yo. This is weighing you down, lalo na kung wala naman ng pakialam tong tao na to sa'yo. So, bakit mag-spend ka pa ng time, energy mo rito sa taong to? Let's see, what else? Empowerment. See? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. You will step into your own power. Mas malakas ang loob mo. The shadow. Itong shadow na to is awareness ng mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo. Minsan naman aware naman tayo na, ito yung kakulangan ko, ito yung kailangan kong improve, ito yung mali ko. So, at least nagiging aware ka na doon. Yan. Part ng spiritual awakening mo yan. Ganun talaga, may mga times na kailangan nating pagdaanan yung difficult situation, no? Mahirap na sitwasyon para magising tayo at matuto sa mga experiences natin, life's lessons, 'di ba? That makes us stronger. You have Mercury in Aquarius in the 11th house. Mercury is the planet of communication, ideas, thoughts. So, maaring meron kang idea, creative idea na pwede mong magamit para sa ika-uunlad mo. Whether this is for your relationship or personal development or career. Ayan, magkakaroon ka ng harmony. So, this is Sun in Libra in the 7th house. Harmony when it comes to your relationship with other people. Kasi ang relationship, hindi lang naman siya romantic. Pwedeng sa family, sa friends, or sino yung mga kakonect mo, even mga business partners. You have Mars in Gemini in the 3rd house. Mars is a planet that mabilis yung action niya, no? So, maaring meron kang desisyon na gagawin, na bibilisan mo na magdesisyon. Oo. You're going to act really fast. You have to think really fast para makuha mo tong opportunity na to. So, I think ito yung may kinalaman sa ideas mo na kasi nga kung idea mo lang yan, iniisip mo lang yan, ini-imagine mo lang, pero wala kang ginagawang action, it will only be an idea. Hindi siya magka-come to life, 'di ba? So it's time to have that action, take that action. Bring your ideas come to life, kumbaga. You already have all the answers. See? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo, na minsan naghahanap ka na lang ng validation or confirmation outside of yourself para lang masabi na ito ay gagawin mo na talaga. You have to look for it within you. Yun. Kasi nasa sayo na yan eh. Hindi mo na kailangan ng map kasi kung ano yung nasa sarili mo, ano yung nararamdaman mo, yun yung magiging guide mo, which is your instinct, your intuition, your logic, your knowledge. 'Di ba? Ayan. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.